The polar vortex is returning to Canada as we look to the end of November and into early December. What the polar vortex is this major mass of Arctic air, some of the coldest on Earth, that is centered over the North Pole, and the jet stream is usually stronger around it. It's the polar jet stream, and that traps that cold air in the Arctic. But as the air pressure difference weakens, we often see southward pushing of that Arctic air, and that's exactly what's taking place due to what we call a stratospheric warming event, a record-breaking one over the North Pole. That's the stratosphere level of the atmosphere is between 10 to 30 kilometers up in the sky. So that is warming, and it's dislodging that Arctic air down south. Here it is as we take a look ahead to your weekend. This is going to move its way over Hudson's Bay, and it's going to trap this Arctic air over the prairies into parts of Ontario as well, bringing in our biggest and longest cold snap of the season so far that will last into early December next week, potentially even into the middle of the month. So what that will do to wind chill values across the country onto the prairies, we're looking at times Friday, Saturday, Sunday, back to the mid-minus 20s in the morning and potentially even pushing toward the minus 30s at times into next week. In places like Churchill, we could be approaching the minus 40s. So this is going to bring in quite the cold snap. Pull out the mitts, the parka, the toque. In the Toronto area, even those daytime highs will get dunked below the freezing mark over the first few days of December. In places like Regina, we're looking at overnight lows dropping to the minus 20s Sunday morning. Daytime highs in the minus teens, and Saskatoon looking at similar temperatures over the weekend, minus teens as we wrap up November. In the morning on Sunday could reach the minus 30s with the wind chill as temperatures drop to as low as minus 23. And for Winnipeg, we are looking at similar cold conditions right through into early December.